Hello everyone, my name is Renee Burns and this is Curriculum Planning and Evaluation AEP 859 introductory video. Alright, so some interesting things about me. I have two little boys, Brody and Byron, and my husband teaches at Fort Hays State University. But one of the things that we would like to do before they graduate and move on is to hit up as many national parks as we can. So these are just some fun pictures that we've done thus far. This summer we had plans of hitting 4 other ones that we didn't get to go to, so we're a little bummed about that, but we'll work really hard to make up those trips and hopefully treat them to some life experiences before they move on. A little professional information that you should know about me. I teach here in Hays, Kansas at O'Laughlin Elementary School. I am starting my 14th year there. It is a looping school, which is really interesting. If you'd like to learn more about that, just ask. But I teach 2nd and 3rd grade, and so the looping part of it is I keep my students for both of those years. I am a part of the building leadership team, foundations team, and then I also create a daily morning news segment that goes out, and mostly dealing with our goals as a staff and creating a common language and just teaching kids kind of the positive behavior learning systems that we have in place. My professional goals for short term is just to make it through this challenging year. I think we all probably are in a tough spot, but I have a very positive attitude about it, and in general that's just kind of my personality, but I want to provide the best education possible for my students and for their families. My long-term goals would be continuous learning and growing. I have a very big fear of getting stuck in my ways. I know that sometimes that tends to happen the older you get, and so it's very important for me to have living so close to Fort Hays. I have a lot of interns and student teachers, and so it's been real nice to benefit from that and keep updated on the common trends that are going on with education. Eventually I'd like to become an elementary principal and then make a positive impact on the lives of my students and families. My hopes and expectations for this course is to assess the effectiveness of current curriculum. Oftentimes, staff members will say it's not working. Well, I want some evidence to show that it's not working. I want to be able to look at the data or anything that you can show that it's not working or that it is working well. So just effective ways of assessing that. And then increase teacher buy-in. I know oftentimes we adopt a curriculum and then there's not necessarily a lot of buy-in, and so it's not always done with fidelity. And so how can we increase that teacher buy-in? And then I'd like to learn from the peers in education through this class. So I look forward to meeting you all, and I thank you for watching my introductory video. Have a great day.